General Secretary jong kaseng GNC ni Garo National Council Augustin Marak ha ka jingele kendo ka jong bat kaseng HSPDP mendakas ngi khalatre ubrai nopra ha mopun lor ulong ba ka Jingdawa jong ki Garo yala ka jong jella kan Ktah ya ki pai ba Garo ki bade ki Nongshong Shnong hapo upot usam jong ka Khasi ba Jaintia Hills senre ka long ka Jingdawa ban bot din ya ka jingede bat ka jing ang nu jong ki nong yalam barim kata u Clifford Marak bat uba hoping soon ling do ki bala bam kwai ha do waru blame show ula pen shairu ba ka Jingdawa jella Garo la ka jong kamde na kadaw baya shim ni sngo phejai ben riu henre ka dei na mar baki Garo ki don la ka jong Garo kom sanchar khadar ka khten ka thili bat ka riti ka dostor ka baya pher bat ki parlok Khasi ba Jaintia om ta kata ulong ru ba ka Jingdawa jela la ka jong kanum don ru ka jingya tamput henre ka long be thik kat kum upot usam jong ka Garo Hills district bat da ka jingya trelang ka GNC bat HSPDP la ban pintikna ru ba ka ni ka Jingdawa kan long da ka jingya yas ku thu jimut bat ru da ka basuk basan klem kano ka jingya snam
GNC is the political party who is spearheading this separate Khasi Jaintia state demand that our leaders, led Clifford Marak, he has clearly stated in his memorandum that GNC is demanding separate Garo state from the existing boundary of the Garo Hills district. There will be no inch crossing to the beyond the boundaries of the Garo Hills districts. Garo National Council and the HSPDP leaders, they have a coordination committee. And we have jointly submitted the memorandum to the government of India, advising the government of India to create separate state and a separate Khasi Jaintia state. Under the article of 371 J to the separate Khasi Jaintia state and article 371 K to the separate Garo state, based on the linguistic. Garo Hills people not demanding separate statehood because of separate identity, language, separate culture, different culture from our beloved Khasi Jaintia people. So we need the identity to protect and preserve. We are not demanding separate state because of hate each other. We are demanding separate state just because of the culture, language, traditions is different from our beloved Khasi Jaintia people. According to the coordination committee between GNC and the HSPDP, there will not be no blood-shedding fight to the proposed Garo state and the Khasi state. It will be mutually with love and respect. It will be democratic, non-violence. So we are happy today. We reconstitute the coordination committee between GNC and HSPDP, like we have before during the time of led Clifford Marak and the Bahupin Samlindo. So now we are getting more support from the people of Garo Hills, and most importantly, we are getting support from the Federation of New State Demand Committee, and we are joining the Dharna in Delhi, which will be started from the 14 of this month, 14, 15, and coordination committee between the GNC and the HSPTP will be part of the New State Demand Committee, Federation of New State Demand Committee.